Hey guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another review video, and today I'm reviewing the Opulent Fast Drying ProdryerX. So I've been talking to the company and they were doing a campaign where we could try one of their products. We had a whole list of products to choose from where it was like different shampoos, dry shampoos, different hair care products. And then there was a couple, there was like a couple of different hair dryers and stuff. But I picked this one because I was in desperate need of a hair dryer anyways, so it worked out. And this is what it looks like. So I really like the look of it. It looks really sleek and really nice and really pretty. I love the blue on it. And then it's got a really nice, like, thick cord. Like, normally, even my hairdryer at school, the cord is kind of flimsy and not very good. But this cord is like super thick and it's like really hard to like bend it or anything. So I feel like this cord is going to last a really long time. And I found mine on Groupon for $27.99. And normally this hairdryer is $40. So I figured that was a pretty good deal. Like I said, my favorite part is definitely the look of it. I also like how there's one button here. This is the power button, and you can choose the different speeds, like how much air comes out. I think that's what it's called. What's it called? Oh, it's the drying speed. And then down here is the temperature. So you can have it cooler, medium, or really hot. And then you have the cooling button like any other hairdryer has. I can definitely say, it also comes with two attachments, by the way. I can honestly say I love this hairdryer. I think I love this more than my Amica hairdryer that we have at school that we get in our kits. That hairdryer at school is probably close to $100. And to dry my hair with that hairdryer at school, it takes me about an hour. But here, with this hairdryer, it only took me about 20 minutes. So, and I have super thick hair. Give me one second. I'm back. Sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh, it dries my hair super fast. And if you guys haven't been here a long time, you'll know that I have super thick hair, and my hair used to be really long. So when my hair was longer, it took me about 3 hours to blow dry my hair. And if I would leave it to air dry, it would take at least 24 hours, if not closer to 48. Like, it was ridiculous. So, my hair being shorter, it does help. It's cut the drying time down a lot. Who is coming now? Give me one second. I'm back. Sorry about that. We're joined with Snoopy now, because he won't quit barking. So Mommy's got to hold him. Don't I? You're a little brat. Anyways, this has helped a lot with speeding up the hair drying process. It also has helped to make my hair a lot smoother. It's definitely not as frizzy. Usually when I blow dry my hair, I'll have like all my, still have a little over here, that's just like baby hairs, but like all my front hairs and like most of what's back here will just be sticking straight up and will be so frizzy and like uncontrollable, and my hair is so smooth and so like soft, and I think this has helped a lot. So, I think this has helped with my hair drying process a lot. I definitely recommend you check this out, and I think $30, well, it's not even $30, $28 is a really good price for a hair dryer, and it's a really good one as well. I really like it, and it's really easy to store as well. I've honestly just been keeping it in the box, and the box isn't that bulky or anything, so I can easily just slide it into my cabinet, and it's really nice. And my grandma really likes it too. Like, she's tried it a couple times and it's really, really good. So I think that's it for this video. I'll leave the link to that down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll answer them the best I can. And yeah, so definitely recommend you go check this out if you're looking for a good hair dryer. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Say bye, Snoopy. Say bye. Don't. Bye guys.